Hello everyone, welcome to ML Science Studio. Today I am going to start a new tutorial series on NumPy. In this series you are going to learn the basic of NumPy, include how to create and manipulate array, perform mathematical operation on array and use NumPy for common data science task. What is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python. Is a Python library that adds support for large multi-dimensional array objects and matrices, along with a large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these array and matrices. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing with Pythons. Why use NumPy? There are several reasons why NumPy is used in such in data science. Speed. NumPy operation on array are highly optimized, making it much faster than using Python list or other native Python data structure for numerical computing. Second is efficiency. Efficiency. NumPy array are stored in a continuous block of memory, which make them very efficient for accessing and manipulating data. Flexibility. NumPy provide a wide range of functions for working with array, include mathematical operation, statistical function, and linear algebra operations. Interoperability. NumPy is compatible with many other popular Python libraries such as Pandas, Scipy library, and Matplotlib. Application of NumPy. First one is a data science. NumPy can use to load, clean, and analyze large data set. For example, you could use NumPy to calculate average, median, and mode of data set, or to create histogram and other data visualization. And second is a scientific computing. And NumPy can be used to perform a complex scientific calculation such as solving a differential equation or simulating the physical system. For example, you could use NumPy to simulate the motion of projectile or model the separate of dishes. Third is machine learning. NumPy can use to train and evaluate a machine learning model. For example, you could use NumPy to train a linear regression model to predict the price of a house, or to train a support vector machine to classify image. And fourth one is image processing. NumPy can be used to manipulate and analyze image. For example, you use NumPy to resize an image, apply filter, or detect object in an image. NumPy can perform a wide range of mathematical calculation, includes arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential module, etc. Exponential and algorithm operation, exponential log and log 10, etc. And a trigonometric operation, sine, cos, tan, and any other. And statistical function, calculate the mean, median, standard, mode, etc. A linear algebra operation, matrix multiplication, inverse, determinant, etc. Installation of NumPy. NumPy is available for all major operating systems. It can be installed using the Python package manager pip. How to install NumPy? Open the CMD and type the pip install NumPy. Wait, installation is a process, and requirement is already said. My system is already has a NumPy library. The message will be requirement already satisfied. And NumPy installation in your PC. If you are new to data science, if you are looking to learn more about NumPy, then you to subscribe my channel and follow along with this series. Next video is how to create array in NumPy. Thank you for watching this video.